Hello students, today I am again here. I myself Kunna from Kunna's Horizon want to tell you something about the coordinate geometry part 3. Coordinate geometry part 3. In the part 3 I am going to teach you about the equation of the line. All of you view the channel from the starting to the end, view the videos from the starting to end and subscribe the channel and give your comments in the comment box for the videos which you have watched, because this will make the chain of subscription go on and make the videos much more beautiful and much more you can learn from it by rectifying my mistakes through the comments. So always, now I am going to start equation of the line. What do you mean by equation of the line? Each and every line is if a line is denoted by an equation and ax plus by plus c, that means all the points in that line satisfies this equation. All the points in that line satisfies this equation, because line is a set of points and all the set of points satisfies this equation. And so the next one is, now what I am going to tell you, that if two lines are intersecting like this way, then the common point is the intersecting point. So if this one is a x1 b y1 plus c c1, and the equation of this one is a x2 plus b y2 plus c, then this point O satisfies both the equation. This point satisfies both the equation. Now I am going to tell you about the intercepts. I told you about the x-intercept in the slope. I told you about the x-intercept in the slope. But again I am going to repeat you. If this is a plane and a line is intersecting like this way, a line is intersecting like this way, and this is y and this is y dash, and this is x and this is x dash. So this is what? Y-intercept. Y-intercept. And this one is x-intercept, and this is x-intercept. The line where the line where it intersects the x-axis from origin to that point is known as x-intercept, and the line where intersects the y-axis from origin to that point is known as y-intercept. So the two points, the two taken together in this particular order are called the intercepts of the lines on the axis. Now we will move to some important formulas for the equation of the line. Some important formulas for the equation of the line. To find out the equation, and in the problem we will get something is given, and then only we can find out the equation of the line. Number one is we have to find out the slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then number two, equation of the line parallel to x-axis. Equation of the line parallel to x-axis, that is equal to y is equal to b. Then the third one is equation of the line parallel to y-axis, that is equal to x is equal to a. X is equal to something, that is x equal to a. The equation of the line in passing through a point number 4. The equation of the line passing through a point A is equal to x1 y1 that is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now 5. The equation of the line passing through origin is equal to y is equal to mx. Passing through origin origin 0 and 0, that is equal to y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. Then next one, number sixth one. The equation of the line passing through an y-intercept C. The equation of a line passing through line having y-intercept C and slope is equal to m. So this is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Then the equation number 7. The equation of the line passing through 2 points, A is equal to x1 y1 and B is equal to x2 y2, that is equal to y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. And this is the 2 points. Next one is the equation of a line which cuts and which has an x-intercept A. Number 8. The equation of the line having x-intercept A and y-intercept B and y-intercept B that is equal to x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a by y by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Then the equation of a line parallel to the given line. Equation number 9. Equation of a line parallel to the given line. Parallel to a given line. Given line is equal to given line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is as ax plus by plus k is equal to 0, where k is a constant, where k is a constant. K is a constant. Then the next one, number 10th one. Number 10 is the equation of a line parallel perpendicular to a given line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by that is equal to ax bx plus ay bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0, where k is a constant. K is a constant. So all of you have go through the videos and subscribe the channel, give your comment in the box and view the channel from the starting till the ending. Then you can know much more about this video, what I want to teach you and what you have learned. You can learn, that is the maximum which you can get from the video. Always remember to comment in the comment box and subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel so that the channel will be powerful, and comment in the box so that I can rectify my mistakes, so that you can learn more and more knowledge from the videos which I am uploading. And with this 3 parts of coordinate geometry, I have taught you everything in the coordinate geometry, which is up till I think standard 10. So all the students till standard 10 go through the videos, you can understand. Go through the 3 videos. In the first video I have taught you reflection, second video I have taught you about the slope, and in the third video I am giving you about the equation of the line. But before seeing or after seeing, never forget to subscribe, never forget to comment in the comment box. Thanks. With this, I am completing my the coordinate geometry. I myself Kuna from Kuna's Horizon want to tell you again, subscribe the channel, make the channel powerful. Then only you can gain more and more.